Reasons why houseplants stop growing. Hi, plant lovers. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common issues with plant care when your plants stop growing. If you've noticed that your plant seems to have paused its growth or isn't looking as vibrant as before, you're in the right place. Let's go over the main reasons why this happens and how to fix it. Plants must grow and develop properly to survive and produce yields. In general, any stoppage or slowdown in plant growth can indicate a problem in the plant's ability to either absorb nutrients or utilize them for growth. Whenever we observe that a plant's growth has halted, we should examine the factors affecting it to prevent potential damage or loss of the plant. Reasons for plant growth stoppage. Examining the causes and reasons behind the cessation of plant growth is important from various perspectives. For instance, noticing poor growth or the death of plants can be quite disheartening for individuals. Gardeners, farmers, and plant enthusiasts always wish to see their plants and trees growing well and thriving. Additionally, understanding the primary reasons behind the stunted growth of different plants helps in better care during future plantings, preventing potential risks. The main reasons why plants stop growing are as follows. One, inappropriate soil conditions. Suitable soil is one of the most essential and crucial factors for proper plant growth. If the soil conditions are not ideal, one cannot expect the plant to grow well. For example, if the soil becomes overly alkaline and its balance is disrupted, the plant may struggle to absorb nutrients properly from the soil. In addition to alkalinity, the temperature of the soil also has a significant impact on plant growth. If the soil temperature is too low, the plant cannot efficiently absorb the necessary nutrients, resulting in stunted growth. Two, inappropriate root conditions. Poor root conditions, especially in houseplants and indoor plants, can cause the roots to become tangled and sometimes even exceed the available soil in the pot. One of the most important aspects of plant care is ensuring the roots have sufficient space and that the pot is not too small for root development. When a plant is unable to establish healthy roots and its roots are under pressure, growth halts, and it may even lead to leaf drop. 3. Improper lighting. We all know that light is one of the main and most influential factors in plant growth. Keeping plants in conditions different from what they need prevents them from growing properly. For example, a plant that requires direct sunlight will struggle to grow if placed in the shade or under indirect light. 4. Inadequate humidity and temperature. Just like light, humidity and temperature are also environmental factors that significantly impact plant growth. Paying attention to the environmental conditions necessary for the plant's growth and development is crucial, and placing the plant in unsuitable conditions can lead to growth cessation. 5. Lack of nutrients. Nutrients play a vital role in plant growth. When the plant's required nutrients are not provided, or if the plant is unable to absorb nutrients from the soil, its growth will stop. Ensuring that the plant has access to the necessary nutrients and addressing factors that prevent nutrient uptake is essential. For more information on this topic, you can read the article "When Does a Plant Struggle to Absorb Nutrients from the Soil?" 6. Presence of pests and diseases. In general, any disease or pest such as rootworms, agrotis, mole crickets, etc. can harm the plant. Some pests and diseases damage the leaves, while others disrupt root function, leading to growth problems. Essentially, any damage caused by diseases and pests can result in the complete cessation of plant growth or a significant slowdown. Seven. Planting at the wrong time and season. Planting a plant outside of its growing season can lead to a halt in growth. This is because unfavorable environmental conditions, such as soil and air temperature, prevent the plant from experiencing proper growth. Eight. Transplant shock. Transplant shock generally occurs when plants are moved. In such situations, the plant struggles to adapt to its new environment after relocation, resulting in a growth stoppage. Nine. Improper watering. Approximately 85 to 95% of a plant's weight is water. Water is one of the most crucial and vital needs of a plant. If watering is not done correctly, the plant cannot grow properly. The watering conditions vary based on factors such as temperature, humidity, plant type, soil conditions, and more. Therefore, for optimal plant growth, special attention must be paid to these factors.